Fellow citizens, Ivan Mawarire here. I ndiri kunoku in the United States of America, and I am with Dr. Noah Manyika here. Dr. Noah Manyika Munu Wamari, a wonderful man of God. We've spent time together, we've connected, and we are going to be in Dallas,
yes,
Texas. Tell us a little bit more.
Well, we are going to be in Dallas from the 19th to the 21st of August. That's in about a week's time.
A week's time. So it's Friday the 19th
yes,
of August. We have an evening event. Then Saturday
the 20th, and we have an event from 1 to 6. And then Sunday we have an event, I think from 10 to about 1.
10 to about 1.
Yes.
In the morning on Sunday, I'm going to be at Harvest International Church with Pastor Sundire. And you know what? We got in touch with the organizers of the events in Dallas. We realized we are Zimbabweans. We need to be united at this time. We cannot afford to be divided. And we are excited, about these events. So as many Zimbabweans as you can come to these events. Please get hold of Clive
and Gabriel. And their phone numbers are at the bottom of the flyer that will be posted along with this video. And they are wonderful brothers. And we are united. Just want to emphasize that we have more in common than what divides us. And our goal is the same.
Absolutely.
And I am absolutely delighted to be standing here with my brother, who is an absolute wonderful man of God and someone who God has put a mission on his heart, and we are together in this. And Pastor, we will get there.
We definitely will get there. So Kanamuriko Dallas, if you're there, if you were doubting whether we were coming or not, this is a confirmation. We're sorry about the false start, but we're thankful. We don't care what the propaganda says about myself or says about Dr. Manyika or anyone else. Dallas, we now know that these things are used against us. We now know they speak against us, and so we're gonna be there, and we can't wait for it to happen. So Dallas, here we come.
God bless you.
God bless you.